Hey there, Fletch from All Things Overlanding here with Matt from Fries on the Side. Welcome, Matt.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, well, we're here at CORE 2021, and he has been gracious enough to kind of bring me around in his Jeep because you may or may not know this, but my truck is broken. So thank you for driving me around.
Yeah, that was good. The taxi.
It was fun. I jumped out and got cameras. That was useful. But I'm just going to have him kind of do a quick little walk around of his Jeep here and kind of tell us what he's done. He also has a really nice TC Teardrops trailer that is awesome that I will show you some footage of here too. So, all right, Matt, you want to take it away and kind of tell us more about the Jeep?
Yeah.
All Things Overlanding is brought to you by some fantastic companies. You should definitely check out the description and click through their links to see all the awesome stuff they offer. Companies like Red Arc for all your overlanding power management needs. Last US Bag, tons of amazing quality overlanding bags. Rugged Bound Supply Company, rooftop tents, awnings, roof racks, and more. The More Expo 2022, get your tickets below. And Northology Overland, guided overlanding trips and a free overlanding magazine.
All right, so I have a 2012 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon JKU, so the 4-door version. Up front, relatively stock outside of the winch plate and the worn 10S winch. And then around this side, we'll kind of go to the side. I did add like limb risers because in Wisconsin we go through some pretty narrow trails, so this lifts the branches up pretty easy mod. I also have KC lights up front mounted to my S-Pod inside, and then also underneath the hood I have a compressor, an ARB compressor. Nice. And then from a suspension lift, this is a 3-inch lift. I don't know if you can get in there. I have Fox shocks. And then one of my personal favorites, just because I do a lot of traveling in Wisconsin, these, and mostly of my travels are on the road. So these are great winter tires. So these are KO2s, BF Goodrich KO2s, 35 by 17 on 12.5 inch wide.
Nice.
On fuel rims. Kind of working this way, we have kind of the steps to get up to access anything that I put up on the roof rack. I do have a Rhino rack platform that bolts directly to the soft top, or the hard top, excuse me. And you wouldn't be a Quanzai Overlander without a hijack lift. I don't think I've ever used this, but it looks cool, right?
You don't have to say that out loud.
Right? And then
like you use it every week.
Right. I use it all the time. All right. So, and then I got a Plano, real simple Plano plastic basket up there.
I have that same one.
Yeah, it's awesome. It works great, keeps weather tight, and I have all my recovery gear up there.
Nice.
Yeah. So, and then as we go around back, again, relatively stock. I do have the Oscar Hideout. And this is awesome. I love this bag. Actually, I got put onto it by Fletch, and so I went out and bought myself one, and we love it. So you go around this side, I have a Rhino back 270 awning that runs around. And that's really mostly the outside.
You want to tell them more about the trailer, and I can kind of cut that in here?
Sure. All right, so I have a brand new 2021 TC Teardrop, and that's an off-road version. So it matching tires and rims, and it's a really cool blue color, and that's really like our base camp. So we'll set that up and we'll go off adventuring in this, and we'll come back and we have all the luxuries of home and a nice comfy mattress with bunk beds for the kids, and we wine and dine. So we really love it.
All right, so thanks, Matt, for walking us around the Jeep and talking about the trailer and everything. Of course, as always, guys, this guy has a YouTube channel too. It's awesome. He shoots really good stuff. He does a lot of family stuff. So if you have a family and you want to know more about like how to overland with kids and that sort of stuff, definitely check him out. I will put links in the description below to all of his stuff. But thanks again, Matt, for walking us around the truck.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah.